Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be making pizza sliders. And it sounds like it'd be great for Super Bowl day. So I hope you'll enjoy this video and I hope you're doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. For our pizza sliders, you'll need one package 12 count of King's Hawaiian rolls. We'll need 3/4 cup of pizza sauce. It said for 12 slices of mozzarella. I didn't have the slice, so I grated some. 24 slices of pepperoni. A 1/2 cup of cooked crumbled sausage. I just did about 1/2 of a chub, a little 1 pound, because I wasn't sure how much a 1/2 cup would be. A 1/2 cup of melted butter. A tablespoon of grated parmesan. 1 teaspoon of garlic salt and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. First, you want to take your rolls out of the bag and you want to slice them down through the center. Lay the bottom half in your sprayed cooking dish. I'm using a 9x13 dish because that's what I had. I didn't have anything smaller. It's a little big, but it worked out. Now you want to cover that half with your pizza sauce and spread it out evenly. Now the recipe called for using 6 slices of the mozzarella, and since I just grated it, I'm just using half. I did about 2 cups. Now you want to lay out your pepperoni, putting about 2 slices on each of your rolls. Now spread your crumbled sausage over your pepperoni. Now the recipe didn't call for onion, but I had just a little bit chopped in the refrigerator, so I decided to add it on. And I'm sure you could add mushrooms or olives or whatever you like. I would have loved to have the mushrooms and olives, but my family doesn't like it. So you top with the other half of your cheese and then your rolls. And now you want to take your butter, add in your parmesan and your seasonings, and give it a good mix and brush over the top of your rolls. Now it called for garlic salt and it was good, but it was salty. So I think the next time I make this, I will use garlic powder. And my family absolutely loved this recipe. Now you want to bake it in your preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 15 or 20 minutes. I was supposed to have covered it with foil, but it worked out fine. Alright, let's give these sliders a taste test. They smell wonderful. And they taste even better. I like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Until next time, bye y'all.